5 simple things to do to handle anger at work. It can be tricky to work out how to handle anger in the workplace. After all, it's the place where you're supposed to be professional and on top of things, right? And there is nothing less on top of things than losing your temper. But anger is a natural human emotion. We all feel anger from time to time. So how can you stay in control and manage your anger when you're at work? 1. Step out of the situation. Whatever is happening, the first thing to do to avoid a blow-up is to remove yourself from the situation. If you can feel your anger rising, stay calm and excuse yourself. You don't need to explain. Just say you need to step out so you can calm down and come back to help find a solution to the problem. 2. Do something completely different. When you're angry, you can't think straight, and you're in no state to start finding solutions. Go and do something completely different to take your mind off the situation. Take a walk, grab a coffee, or take an early lunch break. Practice deep, slow breathing to get your heart rate down and more oxygen into your body. 3. Rewrite your mental script. When you're angry, you're likely to have words like unfair, always, never, ruined, or failure going through your mind at top speed. You'll be thinking irrationally and not able to be objective or logical about the situation. Try acknowledging those negative thoughts and then switching them up with positive ones, like I'm upset now, but it will be okay. Or I can find a solution to this. 4. Don't blame the other guy. Chances are the person who upset you had no intention of disrespecting you or hurting your feelings. Most of the time, people do upsetting things unconsciously or carelessly. It's rarely malicious. The person who didn't put more paper in the copier could have been in a hurry or didn't see the warning light go on. The guy who hasn't called you back might be sick or hadn't gotten your message. Before you lose your cool, count to 10 and cut the other guy some slack. 5. Talk about it when you're not mad. If you have a problem with someone in your professional life, it's best to talk about it. Wait until you're calm and can talk without getting upset. Use low-key language to explain how their behavior makes you feel and what you need. Keep the focus on the effect on you and avoid blaming language.